Can you make custom parts based on my sample? Yes. You can send the sample to us by express and we will evaluate the sample, scan the features and draft 3D drawing for production. How to get the quote? Please send your 3D drawings, STP, IGS, STEP, to us, and tell us the material, surface treatment and quantities. Then we will quote you within 4 hours. TOGOHK manufacture silicone rubber molded parts. All silicone materials to be achieved as required, RoHS, FDA, LFGB level. Custom silicone products. As a custom silicone products manufacturer with 15 years experience. With the advanced CAD and CAM, such as POE, UG, SolidWorks, CAD, mold flow, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like or forward it if you love it.